Are you looking to make homemade yogurt? If so, you're going to need a starter yogurt. And I've been getting asked quite a bit lately, what is a starter yogurt? So I thought I'd share with you a quick version, short answer of what that is. It's actually simply the yogurt you're going to choose to start your homemade yogurt. So you can choose any yogurt for that. The main thing is you want to like the taste of your starter yogurt because the cultures in that yogurt that you choose are what you're going to grow and ferment, and that will very much so affect the flavor of your yogurt that you're going to end up with. So good time to experiment, try new yogurts unless you are loving one. Like I'm not a creature of change. I'm pretty habit bound, so I choose one and I use it all the time. But whatever you choose, just know it needs to have the live active cultures. You will find that on the yogurts in the brochure. They will be listed. Get your glasses, it's tiny. So just make sure that they're there. Then that's all you're gonna need is a starter for that. Bring it home. You will follow the instructions if you're using an Instant Pot or whatever machine, yogurt maker that you've got, and voila, you'll end up with a delicious, homemade, healthy yogurt that you have done yourself. So I hope this helps. For further information, my channel is The Last Minute Cook, and I actually have a step-by-step tutorial on how to make regular yogurt and Greek yogurt. So we'd love for you to come over and take a look at that. If you like this channel, please hit like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the ring that little bell for future notifications of our episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.